Hello guys. So today I want to show you a trading system that's completely changed the way I approach crypto trading. And before we begin, this video is strictly for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. So as you can see, this is my crypto wallet, balance in USDT. And even though I'll be using Binance in this video, you're not limited to Binance alone. You can also use platforms like OKX, Bybit, and many other exchanges. So the important thing here is simply having access to your crypto wallets and USDT. So a few months ago, I came across an AI-powered trading bot that genuinely changed my trading experience. And honestly, what stood out to me the most was the simplicity and automation behind it. So let me show you exactly how it works. First, I'm going to open my Google Chrome, search for Gainwise FX. Still here on my recent searches. That's the official platform, first one. If you're new, you can simply create an account by clicking the Get Started button. Input all the details that are needed, the first name, last name, your email, phone number, and select your country. And don't forget to choose and add a simple password that you can remember. For my case, I already had an account, so I'll just proceed to log in. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice the platform is very clean and beginner friendly. As you can see, I already had a balance here of 40 USD. Completed transactions, 174, and some live actions over there. Everything is organized in a way that makes navigation simple, even if you're completely new to trading. Here we have the Go to Bot button. But before using the trading button, we have to fund the account because the bot can't run with insufficient funds. So I'll head over to the wallet section and select deposit funds. So here the platform generates a wallet address. We have Bitcoin, USDT TRC20, USDT ERC20. And here is where we'll copy our address. For our case, we'll select USDT TRC20. It's simple and fast and more reliable. Input the deposit amount, which will be 100 USD. Copy the wallet address. For those who are conversant with scanning the QR code, you can also do that. After copying the wallet address, we can go back to our Binance account, withdraw crypto, select USDT, paste the copied address, select the network, which is TRC20, withdrawal amount 100 USDT. As you can see, the network fee is being deducted from our 100 USDT. Press withdraw after you confirm everything else. Confirm the details. Press confirm again. And for Binance users, we have a passkey. For my case, I input the passkey as fingerprint to confirm the transaction. Withdrawal processing. Go back. Still processing. Until it's complete, that's when our Gainwise FX account will be credited with the amount. Takes a little bit of time. Something I can remind you about Gainwise uses an automated AI bot for trading. No need for individual analysis. Still processing over here. Once it's complete, that's when we go and check it's successful. That's the prompt. And it's complete now. So we can head over to our Gainwise account to confirm whether the amount is credited. Let's refresh. And it is. So the funds have successfully reflected inside the account. Now comes the interesting part. We head over to the trading bot section. So just a simple explanation of whatever is going on over here. This is an AI DCA bot, which is designated to automate trading while managing entries more strategically. So instead of relying on emotions or trying to perfectly time the markets, the system will analyze the conditions and execute the trades automatically for you. So we'll proceed to configure the bots. I'll advise you all to choose the low risk bots and the trading pair, which will be BTC against the USD for our case. The trading amount will still trade with 100 USD. Once you configure the bots, save configuration. Once you save the configuration, the bot says that it's ready to start. And you simply start the bot once everything looks good. So now the AI begins monitoring the markets while executing the trades automatically. Everything is happening live. Check on the timestamps. Compare the timestamp with the time on the taskbar. Everything is happening live, guys. One thing I personally like about this system is that it removes the emotional trading, no panic buying, no fear selling, just disciplined execution based on strategy. The bot is still running. As you can see on the P&L, 79%, 79 USD. Portfolio balance increased, bot still running. We are almost achieving our profits. It's just as simple as that, guys. None of the analysis that we used to do These AI bots are here to change our lives, and I can advocate for the Gainwise FX AI bots any day and any time to execute your trades. Check on the live execution logs. Win rate looking good, almost hitting our targets. Let's get to 250, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Win rate looking good. I can tell you it's as simple as it looks. You just log in, deposit, configure the bots, start running, and print money. And after allowing the trade to run, we've now secured our profits. So I'm going to close the trade. Now let's head back to the dashboard and confirm the updated balance. Balance updated. Total P&L updated. As you can see, the balance has increased after the completed trade. So next, I'll show you how the withdrawals work. I'll head over to the wallet section, hit the withdrawal funds, select USDT TRC20, head back to my Binance account, the crypto wallet, deposit crypto, USDT, TRC20, copy the deposit address, head back to our site, paste the copied address, input the withdrawal amount, which will be 189 USDT. Confirm the details. Make sure that all the details input are correct, because the action cannot be undone. Once you've confirmed all the details, submit the withdrawal requests. After submitting, the withdrawal appears in the history section for processing. We just have to wait for it to be approved. Only takes a few seconds. That's how simple it is with Gainwise FX. Still waiting for the approval, and there it is. So once approved, the USDT is sent directly back to the crypto wallet. Refresh the crypto wallet. Still waiting for the funds, and there you go. Refresh once again. Still processing, as you can see over here on the history. 189.17 successfully deposited, and there you go, guys. It's as easy as that. Simple as ABC. Trust the process and trust Gainwise FX, and you're guaranteed to make profits. The funds have successfully reflected back into the wallets. Now if we can return to the platform just to confirm. Yes, the money was debited. So one thing I can say before I end this video is I'm in love with this system because it has actually introduced a smarter and more structured way of trading. But if you've been looking for a more automated trade and disciplined approach, then Gainwise FX is definitely worth exploring. So that's that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.